furniture design process should be quick, easy, and error-free. When creating WOODEXPERT, the furniture design and manufacturing software, we focused on reducing the number of steps performed during furniture modeling as much as possible. Not every CAD is easy to use. Not everyone is intuitive. Does the complexity level of operation go hand in hand with its capabilities? Not necessarily. So let's focus on a solution that offers a set of capabilities and is also comfortable to use. Let's focus on WOODEXPERT. Let's start with one of the basic operations, which is inserting a library component into a furniture model. With the Insert Walls function, you reduce the operation time by 80% on average. This is possible thanks to the automatic selection of all 6 planes, which limits the insertion of a component. And what about changing project material? In WOODEXPERT, you can create as many appearance variants as you want. You just need one click to create new, and then one more to change it. Normally, users create production data like reports, drawings, or programs longer than the whole 3D model. In our software, you can easily generate drawings, customer material lists, and programs with only 3 clicks. When I'm talking about generating, I mean that the computer performs the entire action, usually based on hidden logic. It will help you to reduce time of preparing data more than 95%. Would you like to test how it actually works? Visit our website, woodexpert3d.com, and pick one of 2 options: download a free demo or schedule an online presentation.